ServiceFusion tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. Welcome to my ServiceFusion review and tutorial. ServiceFusion is a cloud-based field service management software designed for HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and other service-based businesses. But is it the right tool for you? Well, in this tutorial, I'll be breaking down ServiceFusion's features, pros and cons, pricing, and real user reviews to help you decide. To kick things off, let's talk about what is ServiceFusion and how does it work. Well, ServiceFusion is an all-in-one field service software that helps businesses schedule jobs, dispatch technicians, manage invoices, and track customers, all from a single platform. Now let's talk about their core features. For example, scheduling and dispatching. With this feature, you will be able to drag and drop job scheduling with real-time updates for field teams. They also offer mobile app for technicians, which enables field workers to update job statuses, capture signatures, and generate invoices. Another feature that they offer is automated invoicing and payments, so you'll be able to create professional invoices and accept credit card payments. Plus, it has a built-in CRM that will help to track job history, estimates, and communication for each client. And their GPS tracking and route optimization will definitely boost your service-based business as it monitors technicians' locations and optimizes service routes. And it also has QuickBooks integration, so you'll be able to sync invoices and financial data with QuickBooks for seamless accounting. Now, let's talk about different use cases when it comes onto ServiceFusion. So, ServiceFusion is designed for small to mid-sized service-based businesses looking to streamline their operations. It is ideal for HVAC, plumbing, and electrical companies as it helps manage service calls, dispatching, and invoicing. It is also a good option for pest control and cleaning services as it will help to track work orders, schedules recurring jobs, and manage customer data. And I would also recommend it for appliance repair and handyman services as it provides easy job scheduling and mobile invoicing. And it would be a good option for field service and maintenance teams as it helps to improve technician coordination and work order management. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of ServiceFusion. The first one we have to talk about is the ease to use and set up. Based on my research, it is very user-friendly and has a simple navigation. And also they say that it has affordable pricing, so it has a lower cost compared to some competitors. And strong scheduling and dispatch tools, as with ServiceFusion you'll be able to get real-time updates and keep field teams connected. And it also has a mobile app. The only pullbacks I found when researching with ServiceFusion is it offers no built-in inventory management. So with this, it lacks robust inventory tracking for parts and materials. Now let's talk about their pricing. Their starter plan is $225 per month, and their plus plan is for $350 per month. And also their Pro plan, which is the most expensive plan, is for $575. Keep in mind a free demo is available, but there is no free trial. And in conclusion, is ServiceFusion worth it? Well, if you're a small to mid-sized field service business looking for an affordable, easy-to-use platform, ServiceFusion is a great option. It simplifies scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing, making operations smoother and more efficient. However, if you need advanced customization, inventory tracking, or AI-powered automation, alternatives like Service Titan, Jobber, or Housecall Pro might be a better option for your business. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.